Top 9 Life Skills During Lockdown. Countries around the world are implementing measures to slow the spread of the virus, from national quarantines to school closures. We can see many cities for the first time without the choking traffic, dirty air and honking horns that have so often made them intolerable. From New York, Washington, San Francisco to Frankfurt, Berlin or London, York, from Dublin to Rio de Janeiro, Mexico City to Sydney, Seoul to Jakarta and many more. More than a half of the planet's population is under some form of restriction. People are recommended or required to stay at home and practice social or physical distancing, quarantine or isolation measures. Businesses and restaurants are shuttered and the once bustling streets and tourist havens are silent. Sure, you're trapped inside for the foreseeable future, but that doesn't mean your only options are binge-watching television or FaceTiming relatives for the umpteenth time, only to discover they're feeling just the same as they were yesterday. Instead, learn something new. Believe it or not, there's plenty you don't know. Here's a list of top 9 life skills, plus links to free online tutorials from professionals, designed to teach you skills to both while away the indeterminate stretch of time in front of you and improve your quality of life during, and after, quarantine. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. How to stretch your lower back. About 80% of Americans have a bad back, and all that time spent on the sofa watching Tiger King is only going to add to the legion of the lumbar impaired. In just 5 minutes you'll learn 5 moves that should elicit a pleasing crack from any ailing back. Roll out the mat, down on your knees and try each position for immediate relief. Trust Kelly Collins to show you more how to do. 2. How to cut your own hair. Personal hygiene and fitness standards are bound to suffer during quarantine. So, take another shower and reapply makeup and, if you're honest, it's time for a haircut. If your hair is straight, you can use these 3 methods to make sure your DIY cut is nice and even. Patry Jordan's clips will have you looking your best for yet another night at home. 3. How to make ice cream in 5 minutes. All you need is milk, cream, vanilla, half a cup of sugar, salt, ice and plastic bags. Jerry James Stone of Stone Cooking knows how to make ice cream without an ice cream maker. Find out more tips on Jerry James's channel. 4. How to get followers on social media. It's not that you're so needy that the approbation of strangers motivates you, but who doesn't want lots of Twitter followers? How to be consistent with your branding, identify your audience and try not to be everything to everyone. Laura Price breaks it all down for you here on her channel. 5. How to make edible slime. Because who among us has enough slime to eat? And once you learn that edible slime is essentially heated Sour Patch Kid candy, you might never get enough. There's a little more to it than heat and candy. Trust Talisa Tossel to show you how with her 3 simple methods. 6. How to teach your dog to roll over and play dead. Isn't it about time Rover did his part in this crisis? Dog trainer Zach George provides progressive steps toward completing this simple trick that can be taught without ever leaving your chair. If you want to learn more, check out his channel. 7. How to perform the Heimlich maneuver. Everyone knows what it is, but few know how to do it. What if you've gone out of your way to protect loved ones from infection only to have them choke on a chicken bone? Captain Wayne Bennett of Disaster Survival Skills LLC is not about to let that happen. He lays it out for you here in 4 minutes that could save a life. 8. How to train your cat to use a toilet. First they came for the toilet paper, then there was none. Next they'll come for the kitty litter and leave you with a tray full of reeking cat poop. So, train the puss to use the potty. Watch mild-mannered Sebastian in his training toilet, a litter box placed inside the toilet, and gradually make both your lives virtually cat poop free. 9. How to fix a running toilet. You've been putting it off for weeks, but that running toilet needs to be fixed. It's costing you extra on your water bill, and it's wasting something Southern California has precious little of. Home repair tutor Steve White lays it out here in easy steps. See what's next. Subscribe for more.